We are at Cap Malheureux.
So we're doing a bit of exploring today, decided to leave the comfort of the west of the island, and we've come up north, and if you can see that church there is the famous red church in Cap Malheureux, and it was here that the French were defeated by the British in 1810, and this church is a symbol of this little village. It's a really picturesque red church, very famous, you'll see pictures of it everywhere.
You get from malachite in green, in turquoise.
Okay, I'm gonna put this drone up, see if we can get some shots of the church. Hopefully it's not too windy, you never know, but let's give it a whirl.
I'm gonna go for a swim.
So I wasn't so lucky with my drone shots there. It was just so incredibly windy. I got it up, it was shaking all over the place, but I think I got a few little shots.
Bonjour. Bonjour madame. C'est quel poisson ça? C'est vielle rouge.
Great place down here at Cap Malheureux, because basically what happens is all these people come down, and you saw there's a fishmonger there, there's people selling coconuts and pineapples and ice creams, and there's photo shoots, people flying drones. It's a real sort of meeting point on the weekends, very popular with the locals, I think.
Whoa, so much wind.
See that mountain over there? That's Quandimir, that flat mountain. Lots of people go out there on catamaran tours. It's a really pretty place with great snorkeling. Yeah, so we are now in Grand Bay. So the sun's setting on this beautiful part of the island, and that concludes today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed me showing you around a bit of Grand Bay and of course Cap Malheureux. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys very soon. See ya.